Hello, my name is Steve Bostador, and I am going to walk you through how to open a command prompt on any Windows computer on your network, assuming that you have administrative access. So let's get that taken care of first. Let's go and right-click our group and hit Properties. And inside of our Properties, we can see a thing for administrative login. Right now it's blank. So even if I am logged into the network here, using on my computer as a domain admin or as someone who would be local admin on that remote computer, it's still a good idea to put a administrative, preferably a domain admin, username and password here, or just an administrator that at least has access to the remote computers, because during this process it does need to go out and reach out using the Windows file sharing ports and so on in order to enable this feature on the remote computers. So let's put in my administrative user, which is me, and my password. Now down here in the domain, let's make sure that we put the domain name that this is going to be on. So all these computers are going to be on the Bostador Me domain, and if you leave it blank if you're not on a domain and these are remote computers, but make sure that all of the remote computers have the same administrative username and password on all of them, so that this setting can apply to all of them. And then hit OK. So now I have that in my default group. Now I need to start adding some more computers. So I'm going to go over here to use the Active Directory Picker, and I don't know exactly the names of all of the computers that I'm going to add. So I'm going to bring this drop down here, and I am going to say the name starts with Venom, and it's fine now. There, I found all my Venom computers down here. So this is pulling from Active Directory. So I'm going to pull all my Venom computers in and hit OK. And hit OK again, and there. Now all of my Venom computers are in Venom console. So I'm going to pick one. I will pick this, let's pick that computer, the Windows 7 PC. Now with it selected, I have two ways I can go about doing this. I can either click on this empty looking square here. If you hover, it says open a remote command prompt on the computer. Or I can come over here to this side and I could say remote command prompt. Either one will open up a remote command prompt on that computer. That's all there is to it. There you go. So now you got a remote command prompt on the computer. You know, you could tell it's using ps.exe to make it happen. And I can just do a dir. And these are all the folders. Right now I'm in the Win System 32 of that computer. Every command that you issue here is actually running on the remote computer. No SSH required. Nothing. And all that you need is Bostec Venom and a few clicks, and this happens. So I will be showcasing each one of these other features in future videos. I just wanted to give you a quick run through on how to do this. Thank you.